In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide or change element visibility in Instapage. If you're designing a landing page that needs to look great on both desktop and mobile, controlling an element's visibility is one of the quickest ways to tailor the experience. Maybe a large image looks awesome on a big screen but clutters the mobile view, or perhaps a mobile-specific button should only appear on phones. Instapage lets you manage that without duplicating content or creating separate pages. Once you're in the Instapage page builder, start by clicking the element you want to control. This could be a text box, image, button, form, or any other item on your canvas. Make sure you've selected the exact element you intend to change, not the entire section or a background layer. If the element is part of a group, double-click to drill into that group until the specific item is highlighted. When you have the right element selected, open its options by right-clicking to bring up the context menu. If you're working within a grouped set and don't see the options right away, try double-clicking the element first to target it, then right-click. In the menu that appears, look for an item labeled Visible On or a similarly named visibility control. This is where you choose exactly where the element should appear. Set it to desktop only to show it on larger screens and hide it on phones. Choose mobile only if it's designed exclusively for smaller screens and shouldn't show up on desktop. Or pick both to keep it visible across devices. Think of this as a display filter. It doesn't delete the element, it simply tells Instapage which device views should render it. A couple of helpful notes as you work. Visibility settings are device-specific, so they affect how the page renders on desktop and mobile, both in preview and when published. Changing visibility doesn't alter the position of other items, it only decides whether this element shows up. If something feels misaligned after hiding an element on one device, it usually means you should fine-tune the layout on that device's canvas, not that anything is broken. And if you're editing a group, remember that visibility can be applied to a single item inside the group, which is useful when you want most of the design to stay consistent, but one piece to appear only on one device. That's all there is to it. Click the element, open its options, and choose where it's visible. Desktop only, mobile only, or both. Use this simple control to streamline your design, keep mobile pages fast and focused, and deliver the right content to the right screen.